Hi, I'm Michelle Markey with Medina Domestic Arts Studio, and this is an introductory video to discuss how I use KDP publishing as a business tool. I started my business about 15 years ago as a quilt shop when I retired from the oil business, and I kept it open for about 3 years and then moved on to long arm services. And most recently, for the last 5 years, I have been traveling around the state of Texas and surrounding states doing quilt shows and teaching classes. And one of the things that most of my students have requested over the years are books. Now, often with my kits, I do include how-to instructions, but more and more of them requested not only videos, which I do have an entire YouTube video, which I'll include links in the description below, but also detailed instructions on how to do the kits that they purchased. So I started thinking about this mid 2025 and decided that Amazon KDP might be a way for me to create instruction booklets to publish not only to my students, but to others who might be interested in my process as well. So I started out with your basics. I started out with a campground logbook, a Sudoku book, and then I moved on to quilt planners, to quilt coloring books, and to quilt activity books. And I've been quite surprised at how well they have done this year. Now, I'm not doing this as a get rich quick business, nor will I even begin to tell you it's a way to get rich because I don't think it is. However, what I do want to do in this channel is provide you with what I have learned, the tips and tricks along the way, particularly the things that I really screwed up or that I did wrong, and maybe it would help you save some money or prevent you from making a drastic mistake. Anyway, that's enough about me. I want to chat primarily about what kind of results I have received so far. And I'm going to include the graph and all the details from my Amazon KDP account. I'll show you the kinds of books that I did and talk a lot about Amazon ads. Because if there's any one fly in the ointment is that we all know that you've got to use Amazon ads to get your books promoted, particularly the type of books that I have published so far. So stay tuned. This is just an introduction. Hopefully this will be of interest to you. Again, this is not get rich quick, and it's also not a way to actually create a business as a standalone. What I want to do is show you how this can be a part of your business and use it as a business tool rather than just be it a business by itself. So stay tuned. I hope you'll come along with me for this journey, and thanks so much for watching.